3, 2, 1. Hi, everybody. Shawn Higgins here with CS for All Teachers, and a quick tip on how to quickly make and bring a GIF version of yourself into Scratch. First, we're going to shoot and edit a few seconds of video selfie on your webcam or phone. Before you shoot your GIF, just remember you'll want to record it in a well-lit area with a high contrast background for the best result. 123 apps of video recorder works great for your webcam or any app that you have on your computer or phone. Just click the red button to start recording and again to stop. After you save your video, click up to trim video and then load the video you just shot. Using the blue bars on either side of the timeline, adjust them so when you press play, only the portion of your GIF you want plays. Then click the crop icon on the top left and crop the image as close as possible while not cutting yourself off. Then click the save button. Now we can convert the video to a standard GIF using Giphy, or we can go to unscreen to try to use AI to convert our video into a transparent GIF. Once you have a GIF from Giphy or unscreen, we're ready to import that into Scratch just like you would a sprite. Once in Scratch, it's super easy to start your GIF animating. Just do when flagged, click forever loop next costume and toss a timing block in there to control the timing of your animation or your FPS. That's the quick tip for today. Hope you keep on scratching. For more videos like this, be sure to follow CS for All Teachers on all the social medias.